What's going on, my people? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Linux onto your USB stick in 2020. Right, so for this tutorial you're going to need obviously a computer and, like I just showed, a USB stick. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So yeah man, without further ado, let's head to the computer. Alright guys, so for this tutorial you want to head to the link in the description. It will take you to this website over here, and this will let you download a piece of software called Etcha. Pretty nice. You can get this for Windows, Linux, and also it doesn't quite return, but you can get this for Mac. You know what I mean? I hope you like that reference. If you like that reference, drop the video a like. But enough of the silliness, let's download it. Alright, so once it's downloaded, you want to open it, and as you can see, it's opened up. Right, so first things first, you can either choose an ISO that is stored on your computer, or you can even set it so the program itself downloads it and flashes it all at once, which is a pretty neat feature if I do say so myself. I have downloaded the ISO. In this case I'm using Manjaro. So let me browse to that now. Okay, so once you locate your ISO file, you want to open it. And then now is the time you want to plug in your USB stick, and then you want to select your USB stick, and yeah man, we are pretty much ready to flash. I will say, before you flash, make sure your USB has been backed up, otherwise, well, you're screwed mate, you're not getting any of that data back. But yeah, assuming you have backed it up, let's proceed. It's going to ask you for administrative permissions, just grant access. And yeah man, starting imaging. Alright guys, so it has pretty much completed flashing the image onto the USB stick so fast that it beat, like, you know, the superhero Flash from the Marvel movies, what? You know what I mean? It was faster than that. Alright, so yeah man, we pretty much completed this side of things. So next it is time to restart your computer and see if this USB boots up. Okay guys, so I'm going to be recording this portion of the video on my phone. You want to restart your computer, and then we want to head to the boot menu. Okay, as you can see, it's restarted, so I think that's F11 for me to enter the boot menu. So just mash that button. A menu like this will pop up. As you can see, we got all these different devices, and this is the USB stick which has the Manjaro ISO burnt onto it, and boom man, we's in man, you heard. Alright, then you want to boot up. Just wait for it to boot up, and as you can see, we are in. Okay, so from here you can obviously test out the distribution, test out, you know, see if your computer or your hardware is recognized and you got the appropriate drivers and stuff, and you can also install the operating system. So it's really up to you man. But that's pretty much the end of the video man. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash up that like button. Also, you can subscribe if you like this sort of content, and yeah man, I'll see you next time.